What's up, guys?
Okay,
we're gonna
let's
be
go.
doing Cheese Touch in Animal Company with Cheetah Jack. Like we said, we're gonna be doing a collab. So. Jack, wait.
I found cheese.
Okay,
let's
so
have a
I know you
picnic.
want to devour that cheese. Let me eat it. Where did it go?
I have the cheese touch. Get over here.
Wait, I've got to record. Oh no,
You have the cheese touch.
Oh, I have the sticky cheese.
Oh, you just got juked.
But okay, I'm gonna come to get you. I count.
I'm over here.
Wait, do we like count to 5 when we get the cheese touch? Cause I was doing that.
No, you don't have to.
Come here. So I have the cheese touch.
No. Oh my gosh, I just got juked.
Oh crap.
Ugh.
Bro, I just throwed my controller. Ah,
Are you
boy.
okay?
I just throwed my controller.
You're in the lava.
I just hurt my finger so
How come I got the cheese touch?
Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my
I'm gonna tag you.
Bro, I just hurt my... I think I almost broke my controller on camera.
Wee.
Cheese touch. Wait, is that cheese? The cheese is in the cheesy lava. Wait, where are you going? You alright, sure?
The cheese?
Or is that sure?
Huh.
Oh,
Oh, you missed.
got you. But what? I got you. Got you.
No.
Ooh! I'm in the water. Wait, are we allergic to water?
You just fell.
I don't know if we're allergic to water or not. I just hurt my finger.
You went onto the electricity thing, so that's how you died. You know you can swim, right? Oh, I tagged you. No.
Wait, how do you swim?
I'm going to go swim.
You're hiding up the rocks, aren't you? I'm gonna get up the rocks. I'm gonna get up the rocks. Come here, I'm pinch climbing up to you. Pinch climb. Oh, wait, what's going on? Something to me. Oh, wait, help. Wait, help me. I'm stuck. I am stuck. Oh. Bro, I am stuck right now. Bro, I am stuck.
How are you stuck?
In
You
the
are
rocks.
stuck.
I got stuck in the rocks.
Oh, I'm on the lava.
Oh, you're right there. Bro, how do I... Where are you, mate? Can I go inside the bin? Oh, I'm trash. Oh,
Bro, where are you?
I'm inside the bin. I'm stuck. Where are you? Wait, cheese. Can I just throw the cheese at you that you'll get the stinky cheese touch?
I'm over here.
Oh,
Get more of the cheese touch.
Oh! What just happened? You have the cheese touch now. Oh. Ooh! Ooh!
Wait, no one has the cheese touch.
Wait, what? Oh, the cheese is here. I'm gonna eat. Wait, come here.
I want to start with the cheese.
Why can't I start with the cheese? I'm coming.
Monkey, monkey, monkey.
Monkey. Wait, I'm just gonna say.
Don't think about trying to swim, because I don't know. I don't know how to swim.
I think I know how to swim.
You can't swim.
Oh, I thought we can swim. Oh. Bro, I'm hiding from you right now. Bro, not finding me. Bro, I actually can't football. I'm just gonna die. What? What? What the hell?
Okay.
Hello.
Oh, I got
Wait,
the
what?
cheese.
Wait, hello. Wait, the video is better now.
Monkey.
Water guys, that is the end of the video. Bye. I don't know what he's doing. He's up there. Goodbye guys. I have smelly cheese on me now.
Cheese.
Cheese.